Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing for you guys. So I actually have the phone right here, but funny story to you, not funny story to me. It's actually a really annoying story. Apple sent me a defective phone. I was so annoyed. I did the whole pre-order thing. Like, I did everything, guys. I did everything. I got it on release day, so hyped. To find out that when I was transferring my data from my iPhone 11 to my iPhone 12 Pro Max, that the screen quality, I noticed right off the bat, the iPhone 11 looked way better, and this one was kind of like yellowish, off-white, and I was like, hold on, like, I thought maybe it was just me, like, maybe it's just me, like, maybe I'm bugging out. So I took it to my phone carrier, I took it to Apple. They couldn't even argue with me, like, they saw it. Like, I was like, you see that? Like, you see it? And they saw it. So they just were like, all right, let me just order you another one. So that was that. So they ordered me another one, and here it is. So yeah, check your phones, guys. Compare it to like your nearest phone store that you have near you, because something's going on. So let's just get right into the video and unbox this. I swear on everything. Ooh. Okay, I was just checking that they got the right gigabyte and the right color, because the guy who ordered it for me, like, he asked me like 3 times. He was like, silver, right? And I'm like, yeah, silver. Like, silver. Don't give me no black one. Like, nice. Ooh, I love the box. See, alright. I don't know, how do you guys want me to like do this? Like, should I do it like this? Like, I don't know. Ooh, pretty. I already saw the phone, so I'm not really like, ooh, like, I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. So this is the phone. Compared to my head, you know, it's a pretty big phone, but it's doable. Like, it's definitely doable if you don't have like a big, chunky, ugly case on it. Like, this is a Wildflower case, so it's super slim and protective. So it's not like, you know. So you guys already know it only comes with the Lightning USB-C box. Oh, and I think it comes with 1 sticker. And that's it. So this is the phone. Cute. I really wanted the silver one. Like, I was kind of teetering back and forth between the gold, but I was like, no, like, silver is just so classy and just so like, just classic Apple, you know? But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put on the screen protector and stuff even before I turn on the phone. This is the screen protector I got it from Amazon. It's the Rhydon Premium Screen Protector. It covers like the whole screen. Like, it's one of those. It's not the ones that like leave that little cutout. Like, no, it covers the whole screen. I hope it does. Okay, yeah, it does. Pretty. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna freaking touch it. Not even gonna touch it. Like, I'm literally gonna put this screen protector on right now. Oh my god, because it doesn't get any cleaner than that. Like, your phone can never be as clean as when you take that wrapper off. So let me just let you guys look at it again, because I know when I watch these like phone videos, like, I want to see like the whole thing, you know? Like, I know how it is. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty hard. Guys, I didn't do it right. Okay, this is a little hard. I got it this time. No, guys, I got it this time. I got it. I'm so mad, guys. Like, I really had it. Like I really low-key had it. Now I gotta take the dust off. Alright, I think I'm good. I'm literally the screen protector assassin. Like, can't tell me anything. I got this ESR protective phone case from Amazon. So we're just gonna put that on. And you're probably wondering, oh, how come I'm not using my cute little wildflower case? That's just because, like, when I get a new phone, like, I really just love to see the phone, you know? And the wildflower case, like, I wish they had, like, clear ones. Like, not fully clear, but, like, clear with, like, you know, some designs on it. So, you know, I can't really see, like, the beauty of, like, the white phone. Like, it just gives me such iPhone 5 vibes, so I really don't mind it. But you are gonna get a lot of fingerprints. A lot. So, just letting you guys know. So I'm about to put it in this case. It's just a nice clear case. It's thin, it's not too bulky, and that's what I love about it. I'll link everything down below, but you can just type in ESR case on Amazon. They have a couple. There's one that's like really bulky that I gave my friend because I didn't want it, so I just gave it to her. Because this phone is like already too big, you know? The phone is already like really bulky. So, okay. So what I'm noticing about the case is it like just fits. Like, it just fits. I don't really know if I like that or not. I don't know. Hold on. I don't know if I like that. Hold on. Protective wearable. This says protective phone case. This is not giving me a protective vibe. This is giving me, if I drop this, it's over vibes. I low-key just might put back on my wildflower case, because what's that? Like, I don't like that. Alright, this is the phone in this case. I don't feel secure in this at all. I feel like I'm definitely going to put back on my wildflower case, because what? So anyway, these are the two cases next to each other. But anyway, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if it's vibrant. Oh my gosh, like, I'm gonna be so mad. Like I'm really gonna be mad, like, if it's not vibrant. So it's turning on right now. Oh no, it's getting me a little nervous. This is the hello screen. I don't know, we'll see. It says hold your new phone up to the camera. Alright. Enter the passcode on your new phone. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Share. It's just like making me set up the phone, guys, really. Yeah, let's install a new software update. So you know, the setup process is definitely gonna take some time, so I'm just gonna call it quits right here. And if you guys want like a little update video, I'll definitely do that. Because I'm definitely gonna do a what's on my iPhone. So when I do that video, like, I'll just like let you guys know like what's up, you know? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what phone you guys got. If you got the 12, the 12 mini, the 12 Pro, the 12 Pro Max. And let me know what color you got. Let me know everything. Like, I'm nosy. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. I'm gonna link it all down below. Or I'll probably just have my social media just like on the screen right here. So yeah. I have the links down to the phone cases down below too, and the screen protector. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.